Hello, what's up guys? This is Momen Medhat. I'm online trader from Egypt, and actually this is the first English version of my online classes. I have been teaching online trading in Arabic language, and I have many videos on YouTube talking about online trading, but I have decided to talk in English on this video. Today we are going to talk about binary options trading. Actually, binary options is type of derivatives online trading like future contracts and option contracts. Binary options has two options. If you call or put from a specific time, if you choose the trade from the beginning as this position, you will choose the expiration time of the trade from the beginning of the trade. Before trade execution, you will choose the expiration time of the trade. If your production is right, you will win a big profit like 80% or 90% from your amount on this trade. If you lose this trade, you will lose only the amount you entered the trade with it. But I prefer binary options on trading for several reasons. So let's talk now about why I prefer binary options. If you're trading forex or stocks or cryptocurrencies, you need to wait a big movement so you can make a big profit. But binary options make you decide from the beginning. Before execution of the trade, you decide how much you want from this trade, how much profits, and if you lose this trade, how much loss. And I think it's less risky if I am choosing how much I am going to lose in this trade, and I know from the beginning how much I will win from this trade. It's less risky comparing to forex or cryptocurrencies. And actually binary option is easy to understand. It doesn't need to know about stop loss or take profits. It doesn't need to go deep in fundamental analysis. We only focus on technical analysis, and this is awesome. And reason number 4, binary options are short-term trades. We can go from 1 minute trades to 1 hour trades, but usually you will not see anyone go for 1 hour or 4 hour trade. We usually take a trade from 1 minute to 5 minutes to 15 minutes, 30 minutes, it's in the maximum. And sure, you can go more than this. Actually, personally, I prefer 5 minutes trades, and we are going to talk about this in the next videos. So now we need to talk about how we choose our broker. We need a trusted broker, legitimate broker which execute our orders in no time, withdraw and deposit methods available in our country, quick deposit and withdraw process, high profit rates, low minimum deposits, good customer support. I have been searching on brokers of binary options, and I tried many of them, and finally I am using IQ option. IQ option is the most used broker in the world, not only on binary options but in all assets. It has the biggest number of traders in all the world, and actually it is regulated from SISEC. And if you don't know SISEC, it is Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. It has a minimum deposit by $10. Actually we can trade by $10, but IQ option provides you by $10 at least to try the broker. I find IQ option easy in analysis. It provides you with digital options, and we are going to talk about digital options in another video. It provides you with reports, quick deposit and withdrawal process, up to 98% profit rate, and it is trusted broker, and they provide a good customer support. So I decided to work on IQ option. And if IQ option is not allowed in your country, you can use pocket option or Olympic trade or expert option, depend on your country. But I think pocket option will work fine in your country. Actually it works all over the world. So now we are going to talk about how you can create IQ option broker account. If you go to the description, you will find the link to the broker. If you created account from my link, you will get a 10,000 demo account, so you can try the broker. Sign up, put your name and email and password, and create your account easily. So when you open the platform, you will find this in your face. So I'm going to talk about it deeply so you can understand the platform and how you can use it. First thing, you will find your practice account with $10,000, and you have a real account by $0. You can choose your assets from here, binary option or digital options. This is a line charts. We can change line chart from chart types. From here, yes, from chart type. You can choose candles. Actually I prefer candles. Most popular charts. We need to choose the candle time period from here. Actually I prefer 1 minute. We can choose from 1 minute to 1 month. and we are going to disable change interval automatically, so we can zoom in and zoom out freely. Here you can find graphical tools like line charts, trend line, horizontal line, vertical line, Fibonacci lines. It's all a graphical tools you can use to analyze the market. Here you can use the indicator, and we are going to talk about indicators in another video. From here you can choose your expiration time, how long you want the trade to be executed. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, as you want. You can see the time down at the right, and here the profit of the trade if you execute it by any amount you want. Like if you choose $10, you will get 73% of your amount, which will be $7.3. If you are right, you will get this amount. If you are wrong, you will only lose your amount of trade. That's why I see binary option is less risky. Here we lose $10 from this trade, so our account decreased by $10, so we can top up our account again from here. And if we click on trading history, you will see the previous trade, the amount of losing trade, and the time and the date. Let's open another trade here by $100. Like we said before, if we won this trade, we will get 74% of this trade, like it's shown here on the right. If we lose this trade, we will only lose $100. And of course, it's based on analysis. It's not sum of luck or something like this, like most of people say about binary options. And we are going to talk about price action analysis and candlestick psychology, which we will use to analyze the market. Here we won the trade and we got $74. From here we can deposit to our account. If you are going to use a real account, you can choose your best method of deposit. Actually I prefer Skrill. It's quick deposit and withdraw method, and of course you have to verify it before using it in IQ option. You will type your email address and password, and now you can deposit as you want. I hope you like this video, and if you want me to post more videos in English, please like this video and subscribe me. See you later. Bye.